Welcome. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to copy your Instagram profile link. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up the Instagram app. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead over to your profile at the bottom right. Tap on it, and as you can see here, we have the share profile button. And so what you'll do is just tap on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, you'll have your QR code, and below that, we have the copy link button. So what you're going to do is just tap on it to copy it and then save it or send it to whoever you want. Okay, just basically tap and hold, paste and send. There you have it. Now another option, if you're using PC or computer, just go ahead and open up your profile as well. And then at the very top, you have the URL. So what you'll do is just copy it, paste it to test it, of course, and send it to whoever you want as well. That is it. That's how simple it is to copy your Instagram profile link. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.